Hey guys, welcome to my second YouTube video. Today I want to talk about my two turtles, the ones that you saw in my last video, my makeup tutorial, where they were being sped up in the background because of my blending. But anyway, currently their names are Juju and Neptune. Juju after my best friend Juliana, and Neptune after... well, my sister just picked that name, and I'm not really too happy about the name, so if you guys have any ideas for names, please leave them below. I was thinking about calling them Crush and Squirt, like after the two sea turtles in Nemo, like the baby and the daddy. So, tell me what you think about that. Also, I prefer names like food names, like strawberry and like zucchini. I don't know, like names of foods that go together, like broccoli and cheese. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm gonna introduce you to my two red ear sliders today, and just keep on watching if you want to see that. This is Neptune and Juju coming right at you from the studio. They are male and female. Don't know if they're brother and sister or partners, maybe both. But anyway, I got them about 2 years ago, and look how big they are already. I think they're about 4 inches in carapace length. Okay, anyway, look, this is Juju. He lets me hold him from time to time, and he doesn't shake, and he doesn't bite. Unless he's in his tank and I'm sticking my finger in, because I do hand feed sometimes, so when he sees my finger, he's like, yep. Okay, that's not what he does. But like, he reaches out and tries to bite me. Okay, and you know, he wants to leave at this point, and he's totally done with this video, and he's had enough fame, and he just wants to get away and live the wild life like Lindsay Lohan. He's over it, I'm telling you. But anyway, he is loving his new tank, I'm pretty sure, because he's always basking, and he's swimming a lot more, because that one's way smaller. 10 gallons to 40 gallons. Come on, man. Look at him. This is such a great video, up close and personal with my baby boo. Okay, put me in the tank. Alright, here, this is Neptune. Look how much larger she is. She is a female red ear slider, and you can definitely tell because her shell is much larger. Her head is bigger too. She does not like being held, and I'm surprised she let me hold her for this long without trying to get out of my hands even more than she already tried to in this video. This is some great footage of her up close in case any of you wanted to see. But that's my turtle. Nice trying